see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies. I say come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies. Interesting papis and mammies. Hilarious papis and mammies. Alright now, I've never watched this thing before. I never do. You never see anything. This one past level. But that mama, I bet nothing I can't watch this kind of thing. They make somebody laugh so they. You know, go fit someone from here. This one goes home your bum bum for here. Have you ever seen this film before? I never do. Come and see papis and mammies. 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 Created by Tunde Olaosebikan. Come and see. Directed by Samson Bayode. Come and see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies. Interesting papis and mammies.
Your sister, Your sister and I go celebrate waka all the days of her life, So the 2 weeks for celebrate never reach. As I did like this, You see that small 2 weeks that they celebrate, I don't sell now which way my own done better, As I dey follow you talk, so my picture like this, You don't go internet. Very soon I'll come become supermodel. You go dey beg me ma come your shop, I no go answer you.
Where you go dey go?
See, that time na ShopRite. Shebi no ShopRite now. Now there I go to go buy something. I know they call your place again, no.
ShopRite. Because of say that your name, you don't get inside toilet. You go there go ShopRite.
I beg give me tea make I waka jo.
Tea. Which one?
You know the one they buy before.
Okay.
Answer me, Joe. Voila, too much.
Now that one now 4. 4.
Give me.
Make I give you lalo.
I know one. Thank you.
Warranty. You not give me money. Mana, what happened now? They do shocky. Because I said the thing where they fight itself.
Come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see, oh, come and see.
I'm so happy we're able to capture him in his different state of drunkenness.
By tomorrow morning, we'll have to develop the pictures
and attach them to your write-up.
As soon as I get him, I'll write everything I know about my father.
Good. And make sure you write everything, please. Leave no stone unturned.
Trust me, I'll write it as raw as it is.
Okay, that's good.
Thanks so much, my friend. In fact, I'm highly grateful.
Mary!
Mommy,
See you now.
come
Bye.
and see papis and mammy. I say Come and see papis and mommies. Come and see papis and mommies. Interesting papis and mommies. Hilarious papis and mommies.
Now here you dey.
Mommy, now I do.
Orete, I no come understand you again.
Mommy, I don't tell you, make you no worry. Now your daughter now. Now me orienting now. No worry.
Make I no worry. Now the thing where you don't dey talk past 1 week now. Say make I no worry. The bread where I gather money give you, make you dey sell. You know say you leave that one. And you dey tell me say your money go come. From where your money go come?
Mommy, I don't sell bread, which way my life go better.
Eh?
I don't sell and rich. Remember that again? I will wash for TV. Yes. We sell bread so they can't snap her.
Hey. See, I remember.
Your daughter don't sell bread. You reach that stage too. Yes, so I don't sell bread. Which way they don't camera me?
Eh? They don't camera you.
Yes, so.
Share you to go come dey popular like that girl. Where they sell bread. What's it be her name? Jumoke. Jumoke the bread seller.
That's my mommy. Yes. You remember. You remember the girl now.
That girl, that Jumoke, you no find rich you at all. So you go come dey popular, pass her. As Jumoke, that ugly girl no come. You come make money. You too, my pikin. Orete, you go make money pass her.
Tell them, mommy, tell them.
Don't mind.
That papi, your papi,
they come they show you for network. Inside network, everybody will see you.
Yes, I will blow for internet. They will snap me.
Hey, I can't do like this. Orente, my pikin fit to. My pikin fit to.
Hey, they go tire.
All right now, I've never watched this thing before. I never do. You never see anything. This one past level. But that mama, I bet nothing I can't watch this kind of thing. They make somebody laugh.
How are you? You don't mean it? Like seriously? Okay. Let me just change my clothes. I'm coming right away. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
How about this one?
Wow. Very nice. Hey, see my father.
So, this 3 now makes it 10.
Yes. So that will be how much?
I really can't tell until we get there before we know how much we'll be paying for them.
So let's go for the printing now.
That's true. It's really
This is the first stage of the
So
plan.
you make the plan.
Oh.
The plan work. You carry your me.
Don't trust me.
Let me see.
I just collected the picture from my friend Mary. See. See husband.
Hey.
This is another one.
Hey. Hey, Seki. She this one na my husband. Now my husband can't be like this. Now he sleep inside gutter. Like say he dey inside in bedroom. God,
okay
wait till I do you now.
Mommy, I'm not saying this thing for you to cry now. No, it's okay. It's okay. Mommy, stop. It's okay. Let's continue checking. You've not seen anything.
See this one. Now inside bush he go sleep. Hey, he take bush do bed. Seki.
Sit down. See me in head.
See as he hit the head forward. See him again. Hey. I beg you don't forget.
want checky. I check it now. Checky me with my daughter. This one, now God will give me. This is my daughter. Our wife. My wife, not our wife. My wife. Wait here.
I have something for you.
Yeah.
Yes. My father's name is Ojingolo Babatunde Oropo.
Yes, okay.
He's a native of Ilare Ijesha in Osun State.
Yeah.
He was born on the 5th of April 1963.
You sabi, your mama don't tell you.
Very correct.
My father is a drunkard who, when drunk, sometimes sleep inside gutter. My father is fond of disgracing his family with his habit of drinking from one beer parlor to another. Many times, our neighbors have had to bring him home from inside the gutter.
Teju, na Teju bring am come home yesterday. Wey drink finish, wey go sleep inside gutter, wey go tender there like say na inside im bedroom im dey.
Oh, sorry, I forgot that.
Write am there.
Hey, stop! What do you want right? You want write this rubbish thing where your mama they talk from out. You want write am for your father?
Wetin? Leave her make she write wetin she wan write. Wetin? Na assignment o.
You not see better thing where you fit tell and say make it write about me.
I want to write. I'm writing it already.
E no good. Shey you remember to write and say e dey beat me wife well anytime wey e drink finish.
Oh!
Write am.
Oh, I forgot him. Let me write it.
You see.
Come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies.
Where now? Everything is set. Oh. The plans.
Oh. Hey, hope you've taken the stuff. Hey.
Make it snappy.
Mammies, come and see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies. I say come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see, oh, come and see.
Where you can't go? You said maybe with the dress, we can't find you, we not see you.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I went to call my friend Mary. She has to be here.
This is Mary.
Yes, ma.
Mary.
Yes. You know, we have to work hand in hand to make everything.
Yes.
Mary, no first, Gary. No first. I will go down now.
Are you ready now?
Yes, we are ready.
You stand and let's start taking the picture.
No, me
While
and
I'm
the
writing
first
it
of
down.
the dream, man.
You want to push me forward. Don't be too
I'll snap both of you. Just let's snap them.
Okay, let me do first. As a man.
No, ladies first. Ladies first.
I beg now. Which one is this? Who wants apples?
That is me
Oh,
downstairs.
yeah. I'm okay.
Daddy, now just stand very well.
Okay, like this?
No, not like so. They are just, just
Pause.
Oh, wow, this is so lovely.
Very, very nice.
Yeah, change your style.
Borrow me one. No get style.
Okay. Let me have one more.
One more. Bring your head, make I.
No,
Daddy.
It's okay. Let me to see.
Yeah, we need to stand like this. No, just move back a bit. Hey. Yeah.
Wow.
You go in circle.
Oh, wow. Yeah, come.
Okay, it's not both of them.
Komora.
Daddy. Mommy, you have to turn the person like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
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 Don't cover my face.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah, give me one. Give me one. Yeah, sit down. Sit down. Sit on my lap, pardon.
Oh, see this your father.
This is the woo-woo. That's not making It's okay, it's okay.
So that was actually the best answer, the best thing I've ever seen.
Come and see her. Come and see. Come and see her. Come and see. Come and see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies. Come and see papis and mammies.
What do you care for?
Anything. You're my friend. Send me, I'll take it. Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon. Do you have soft drink?
Sure, we do.
What sort of soft drink?
We have all sorts of soft drinks.
Give us malt.
Malt.
Give us malt.
All right.
What snacks do you care for?
They don't have the snacks around. What? I have choice. You know that.
Yeah, what's your choice?
There's this chin chin, mini chin chin. I'm sure they don't have it.
Let's check inside. They have no.
Oh, I love that chin chin.
Give us.
You really need to try it out. You don't know if it is fried or baked. It tastes so fine. Thank you. Oh, really.
Come here, sister.
Auntie me! She's the one.
Maybe. I beg, you hear me say Andy?
Where is Andy?
You know Andy what tell you now? What say that guy won't make me blow?
No, I don't know any Andy.
Okay, leave her. You get internet for phone, you get internet.
What for?
Why you do like this now? Why you do me like this? I leave English, leave English. You remember Andy what tell you now? That guy what tell you say won't make me blow. Remember that guy? That's how they carry bread now. I say I get aim, you know now. So I get mission for the bread. That guy will snap. What I tell you now? Say he go make me be like Olajumoke. Why they laugh?
This is sister. Orete. You are your wayo.
Listen to this one and they laugh. See, babe, man, I leave English. Wait, just please, wait the bring the phone. We will check. I beg. Why not do like? We will check now.
My phone does not have internet.
What they do you now? If I blow now, I go even bypass your phone, sir. Bring phone, we will check now. Why not you do me like this now? I'll be your sister.
You, Ijaya, I know you pass yourself.
I carry and come make you teach them well. This Jide don't spoil my face. This boy where you see, once I say somebody a thief pass rat, believe me, as you sit down, Jide will carry you, come out here.
Pap, I don't play again. I don't
So
play.
is it I tell you
I
what?
don't play.
Is there where you go win? I don't go chop. I don't go eat that.
Today when me go beat you, you no
see
go
the-
chop. I pray may God bring that day. And na today, if I chop finish, I go beat you like small baby.
See, they are beating him up. Oh. Look at now. Hey, Jida, wait! I don't kill him. Wait,
Come and see her. Come and see. mammies, hilarious puppies and mammies. I say come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see puppies and mammies. Come and see puppies and mammies. Interesting puppies and mammies. Hilarious puppies and mammies.
Alright now, I've never watched this film before.
I never do. You never see anything. This one first level. Madam Mama, I bet nothing I can't watch this kind of film. They make somebody laugh so they. You know, go fit someone from here. This one goes from your bum bum for here, grandpa. Have you ever seen this film before? I never do. Come and see puppies and mammies. Come and see puppies and mammies. Come and see puppies and mammies. Come and see puppies and mammies.
Created by Tunde Olaosebikon.
Come and see. Directed by Samson Bayode. Come and see. Come and see puppies and mammies. Come and see puppies and mammies. Interesting puppies and mammies.